Hi, and good day to all our viewers. Today, we will be discussing the mandatory leave or forced leave in the Philippine Civil Service and how is it availed. Sa pangalan pa lang, klarong-klaro na kinakailangan talagang mag-leave ng isang empleyado kasi nga ito ay mandatory or forced leave. Etong leave na to ay nababawas sa ating vacation leave credits. All officials and employees with 10 days or more vacation leave credits shall be required to go on vacation leave, whether continuous or intermittent, for a minimum of 5 working days annually under the following conditions. Number 1. The head of agency shall, upon prior consultation with the employees, prepare a staggered schedule of the mandatory 5-day vacation leave of officials and employees, at ito ay kadalasan siniset at the beginning of the year, para hindi naman sabay-sabay lahat ng empleyado sa pag-leave. Pero, in the exigency of the service, the head of office may cancel any previously scheduled leave. Number 2. The mandatory annual 5-day vacation leave shall be forfeited if not taken during the year. However, kung ang scheduled leave mo ay kinancel ni bossing dahil may emergency or for any reasons relative to the exigency of the service, the scheduled leave na hindi mo nagamit ay hindi na ibabawas sa total vacation leave mo. Number 3. In case of retirement and resignation from the service in a particular year, at hindi mo natapos ang buong taon, hindi naman ibig sabihin na mafo-forfeit na din ng forced leave mo na hindi mo nagamit because you have the option to avail or not avail the required 5-day mandatory vacation leave for that specific year. And number 4, those with accumulated vacation leave of less than 10 days shall have the option to go on forced leave or not. However, officials and employees with accumulated vacation leave of 15 days, tapos nag-monetize ka ng 10 days, you shall still be required to go on forced leave. In short, hindi pwedeng work lang. Need din nating mag-leave ng at least 5 days in a year. I hope you've learned something from today's discussion and stay tuned for more topics on leadership, management, and human resource. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the day.